Looking to dive into the world of trading, discover how to maximize your profit with our step-by-step guide on using the Plus500 trading platform. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, learn tips and tricks that can elevate your trading game and unlock your financial potential. Don't miss out. Let's get started. So hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use Plus500 trading platform. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into plus500.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So welcome to our guide on Plus500, a popular trading platform known for its user-friendly interface and diverse range of financial instruments. In this video, we will define Plus500 and explore its features that attract traders worldwide. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, there is something here for you. So stick around until the end for exclusive tips to enhance your trading journey. Let's get started. So the first step that you have to do is just click over start with to act. Then you will find other page and the get started signing app. So if you find any problems and you will link in your information and create in your account, you'll just use a VPN for Chrome. So for example, you have just to click over here and make it switch on, then you get started. Alright, so once you do that, you will just get started and create a new account, and you will find this page as you can see. So this is the home page as you can see. So using the Plus500 trading platform is easy and user-friendly. Start by creating an account and completing the verification process. Once you are logged in, explore various financial instruments like stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. To place a trade, select your asset, decide whether to buy or sell, and set your investment amount. Don't forget to utilize features like stop loss and take profit orders to manage your risk effectively. So this is how you can get started. For example, you have just to select firstly the option that you want. For example, here we have most popular, like here we have all popular, spotlight, popular options, risers and fallers, and we have my watch lists. Commodities, we have commodities options. All right, then we have indices as well. Furthermore, we have crypto, forex options and forex indices options, shares also. We have here also ETFs. So for example, you have just to select this one and deselect if you want to sell or buy, then you expect it for a few minutes or hours, or we have here day, week, and here we have the option if you want to draw, and if you want to here crosshair, and we have here also this option of show dynamic cloud or show tool type. Then we have here if you want to switch between the buy and sell prices of the instrument, then we have here range selector. Then we have here open chart in a new window, and in the right we find here the template and the line, and we have here the indicators, the views, and we have text. For example, you select how much minutes you want. Alright, in the right you will find here these options such as open positions. Then we have here orders, closed positions, insights or as well. For example, in the insights, you can just select the filter that you want. For example, you select if it's most traded, most viewed, most followed, most profit making positions, most loss making positions, highest profit return from a trade, highest loss return from a trade, highest buy ratio, and we have here highest sell ratio. So here we have it. You can just select, and you have to select the time frame. Then you select the trader's location, local or global. Then you select instrument type. For example, if it's forex, commodities, and you click over apply. So here we have it. For example, here we have last 60 minutes, and you select the global and forex. So here we have it, how you can get started. Then you will find here found if you want to deposit or withdraw, and we have here account snapshot, payment methods, and contact us. And here we have if you want to make it dark. Alright, and then we have here if you want to switch to the dim mode or real money mode. as you can see. Then here we have here live and support also. So using the Plus500 trading platform is easy and user-friendly. You have just to start by creating an account. Then you have just to place a trade, select your asset, decide whether to buy or sell, and set your investment amount. So don't forget to utilize features like stop loss and take profit always to manage your risk effectively. So for example, if you click over here about templates, you'll find a 5 templates. Also here in the chart types, you'll find, for example, candle, bar, color bar, line, colored line, vertex line, steep, mountain baseline, hello candle, volume candle, colored as well as bar. We have data point, histogram, and we have here aggregate types. For example, you'll find here Hiken Ashi, Kagi, line break, Rinko. So you can just select the one you want. Then here we have also indicators. For example, select active indicators, favorites, command indicators, and we have indicators library. Then you have here field, and you have just to click over save views, and then we have here tick, and here we have it, how it works with this one. So if we come back and we scroll down here, we'll find other information such as here we have why Plus500 protected and safe. Firstly, your data is safe and your money is kept in separate bank accounts in accordance with legal requirements. Then we have your professional support, enjoy dedicated customer service around the clock in multiple languages. Then we have your regulated. Plus500 is authorized and regulated by the Estonian Financial Supervision and Financial Settlement Authority. Then we have here reliable. Plus500 is an FTSE 250 company listed on the main market of the London Stock Exchange for a listed company. Then we have your professional support, enjoy dedicated customer service around the clock in multiple languages. Also, if we scroll down, we have here the option how you can learn trading from Plus500. The first one, we have practice your strategy. Try our free demo account before opening a real trading account to explore our intuitive trading platform and improve your skills. You have just to try it now. You have to expand your knowledge, learn more about trading with Plus500 using our comprehensive educational materials. Then we have the last one, which is manage your risk. Use our advanced risk management tools to limit your losses and record profits. You have just to read more to understand. So this is how it works with plus500.com, and this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.